In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen in your Android phone. So at first, if I open some apps and then tap on this recent button and then touch and hold this app and then drop here, and that's it. You can see the screen has been split successfully. Now if you want to customize this app, just tap here. From here you can change apps. Just open another app and that's it. If I tap here and then tap here again, now select another app and here it is. Also, if you want to change this app position, just tap here and then tap on this button and it's changed successfully. If I do it once again, just close all the apps and then open only one app, then tap on this recent button and then touch and hold it and drop it to the here. That's it. Now just open another apps from here and it's complete. And that is how you can split screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.